The shooting has rattled long-drawn political lines on gun rights in the United States, where Republican officials have often opposed efforts by gun control advocates to tighten gun ownership laws, partly out of concern about retribution by the powerful National Rifle Association. U.S. President Donald Trump, a Republican who backed gun rights during and since his 2016 presidential campaign, has been under pressure to show he is responding without alienating Republicans who oppose firearms restrictions. On Monday, he met with 35 governors, urging them to disregard pressure from the NRA as they seek to address firearms safety and school security. Trump has embraced the call to safeguard schools by arming teachers, but he also has voiced support for strengthening background checks for prospective gun buyers, a proposal the NRA has traditionally resisted. Trump notably made no mention of another idea he had praised last week, raising the legal minimum age for buying an assault rifle to 21, an idea that NRA has opposed. "I have listened to the first-grade teachers who don't want to be pistol-packing first-grade teachers," Inslee said. "Let's just take that off the table and move forward. Some school districts, they promote it," Abbott said. "They will have signs out front, a warning sign, 'Be aware there are armed personnel on campus.'" Florida Governor Rick Scott told the governors' meeting that his state plans to invest $500 million to have a significant law enforcement presence in every public school in Florida. Trump says would have run in on Monday. Trump also lashed out at some of the law enforcement officers who were first to arrive at the school. An armed sheriff's deputy who was assigned as the school resource officer resigned rather than face suspension. He was found to have stayed outside the building during the attack instead of going in to confront the gunman, according to Broward County Sheriff Scott Israel. Trump has called the deputy, Scott Peterson, a coward. Joseph DeRusso, an attorney for Peterson, defended his actions in a statement, saying he had remained outside because he believed the gunfire was occurring outside the school. Investigators are also looking into reports from the neighboring Coral Springs Police Department that 3 other sheriff's deputies who were outside the school during or just after the shooting failed to enter immediately. Israel, a Democrat first elected sheriff in 2012, has come under sharp criticism from 74 Republican state lawmakers calling for him to be removed or suspended from office.